What's up, everybody? I was on eBay and I saw this ad for a Pixel 2 for $35, and the ad said that it has a bad charging port. The more detailed description says the charger is unable to fully plug into the charging port, but the device still works and it charges. Here's the picture related to the charging situation. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? That charge port does not need to be replaced. By the way, the seller made a mistake and put a photo of a Pixel 2 XL, so I thought that that's what I was getting. But the second photo is the backside of a Pixel 2 and the description says Pixel 2. So here it is, a Pixel 2. Let's see what happens when we charge it. So it charges, but something blocks the charger from fully inserting. I've got this magnifying glass with a light right here. Let's get a closer look at the port. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? There's a crazy amount of lint in there. I'm going to use my tweezers to scrape out as much lint as I can. You get the idea. Here's what I pulled out so far. It's way better now, but there's still a little bit more lint in there. Let's look at the gap when my Pixel XL is connected to the charger and compare it to the Pixel 2. You can actually see all the way through. It's hard to completely remove the lint from the rounded sides of the port. I cleaned more out from the sides and it works good now. Listen to the way it snaps in. If the phone can hang, it's good. Problem solved. So if you're having issues with a charger that's not fully inserting and the phone doesn't charge, clean the USB-C port and see if that helps. Do me a favor, click the like button and subscribe for more helpful content.